Hello, good more earning friends. Friends, this is Nandlal Kavri from Dumka, Jharkhand. Friends, today I am going to discuss about the information of Next Money, that is mobile application based work. Friends, welcome all. Let us start our presentation. It's India's number one company in network marketing, that is in service sector. Friends, new revolution is being done in direct selling by Next Money, and its company's name, that is Next Gen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited, and it is a information technology based company and it started from Pune on 11th December 2013. Friends, you can see this picture, and his name is Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman, that is CMD of this company, and he made this application, that is Next Money, and a complete business application has been prepared and launched on 1st January 2017. Friends, let us discuss about company profile. Friends, this is a legal company, and its registration you can see on MCA website, that is government website, and its serial number 278, that is Next Gen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited. Friends, as on date, and this list has been updated on 12th February 2020, and now total company has been registered on this website 457, and 456 company is a product based company, and only one company that is in service sector in network marketing, that is Next Money. Friends, company has all required documents to run smooth the company, that is GST, trademarks, incorporation, PAN card, MSME certificate. Company received many awards, and like some awards I'm showing here, like Dubai Award, Bangkok Award, Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award, Best Android App Development Company Award in 2017, and Golden Leaf Award. Friends, let us discuss what is Next Money application. Friends, it's a combination, that is e-wallet. Nowadays it is a general e-wallet, that has been used most of the people, like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay. Such type of application, we can say, here is also available e-wallet plus e-commerce, and earning opportunities and e-learning facilities are available, that is the combination all of, that is Next Money. Friends, let us discuss about other application except Next Money, like PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, Amazon, Flipkart, Mantra, Bata Insurance. Friends, these applications are working as a B2C model, means that is a business application, and we use as a customer. Friends, here is no any extra benefit give us for our better future, but Next Money is a business application, and we work here as a business partner, and Next Money makes us business partner, and Next Money gives us to earning a lot of money here from this application. Friends, let us know about its vision. What's the vision, and what is done in future? Friends, its vision is a number one platform, like open wallet bank, entrepreneur development, e-commerce business, and B2B model, and we can say about its mission. He supports digital India, healthy India, and wealthy India. Friends, let us discuss about its USP, unique selling point. What is the difference between 457 companies and Next Money? Let us discuss. Friends, as I have already told you, that is India's number one service sector company in India, that is direct selling, and here is zero investment and no ROI plan and zero liability plans. Here is no any discussed that you have to face any liabilities. Friends, no physical product sale and purchase to start this business, and it is a unique business model with multiple source of income here, and that is a most important USP, that is instant payout facility. Whatever you earn here, and that amount you have to transfer on your bank account on the spot within second, and it's a digital service as per your choice. Friends, every very easy to recommended daily services what we use, and Amazon online training and meeting are being done by our great leaders, most of the great leaders during the day, and easy team management from your mobile, fast business movement, and business nomination facilities are also here available. Friends, now discuss process to start the business. Friends, its application is available on Google Play Store, and you have to type Next Money, NEXMONY, as you shown on this screen, and need to install this application and open this application. Like such type of interface you have to see, and you have to open sign up button, and such type of form you will see, and you have to fill this application. First of all, on the starting you have to note down here referral code who have sent this information about this application, and after that all informations have been filled by you from your side, like your mobile number, email ID, your full name as per PAN card, and your username and password, and some confirm password. Friends, after that you will become a free member business partner, and you will get 50 reward points from Next Money side. Now we can discuss about it, what is the difference between Next Money, if we use Next Money, and Amazon. Friends, like we have to use Amazon generally. Friends, like you have to purchase some product, like its price is 12,000, and Amazon gives you the discount 2,000. At last we have to pay 10,000 rupees. Friends, after paying 10,000 rupees, no any rupees will be returned by Amazon, because we are working here and we are using this Amazon application as a customer. But now we'll talk about Next Money application. If you have Next Money application, most of the application are available in this site. Friends, you have to open your Next Money, and one option are there, that is offers and tie-ups, and offers and tie-ups you have to open, and there is Amazon is also available. Friends, if you use Amazon inside the Next Money application, same product are available here, and its rate is same, and here is same discount, and here you have to pay same amount like 10,000. But we are working here as a business partner, and Next Money gives you maximum 2% cashback on your necessary product whatever you purchase here, and that is 200 rupees. If you purchase your 10,000 rupees product, then up Next Money gives you 2% cashback from Next Money side. Friends, because our relationship with Next Money as a business partner, friends, now we can talk about upgradation. If you upgrade this application, and only one time you have to pay 1770 rupees, it means 1770 rupees. Friends, you have to open this application, and such type of interface you will see, and fill this application and upgrade now, and you will get a invoice from Next Money on your email ID, and the product of company free of cost gift. You have been rewarded with 1550 rupees reward point, and lifetime guaranteed cashback all services, and you will be provided training free of cost, and its reward points value means one reward point equal to 1 rupees, and it's no any expiry, and usage minimum 1% and maximum 60% all services. Friends, ways of earning. Here is saving is earning, and referral program, repurchase income, team royalty, company royalty, leadership royalty, merchant royalty. Friends, we'll discuss one by one. First of all, we'll discuss saving is earning. Friends, if we recharge, because recharge is a process that use everyone nowadays, like mobile recharge, TV recharge, data card recharge. Friends, if we use recharge section, you can save 3%, like 1% you will have to use reward point and 2% cashback. Friends, like if we recharge 500 rupees, then 500 rupees of 1%, that is 5 rupees, and now you have to pay 495 rupees, and you will get recharge of 500 rupees, and after that you will receive 2% of cashback, like 3% you have to say in this section. Friends, like booking services like bus booking, flight booking, hotel booking, you have to save 1 to 5%. You will have to use reward point, and you will use and you will receive 1 to 10% cashback. And one option is here is available, that is Next Shopping, and you can use maximum 60% reward point here. Now we can discuss about online shopping like Amazon, Flipkart, Mantra, Bata Insurance. Here you can get maximum 10% cashback, and no reward point discount point use here, only you can get cashback. Friends, some services are available here without cashback, like electricity bill payment, gas bill payment, metro card recharge, or like postpaid bill payment. But here you can get 25% discount point on all postpaid bills, and one discount point equal to 1 rupees, no expiry date, and uses 1%, maximum 60% in services like reward point you can use it. Friends, now discuss about referral program. That is the most important program, and you have to inform this application to each other about digitally, like Facebook, Amazon, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and if you refer one person, that person will take Prime membership on this application, and you have to earn 300 rupees from this application. From if we refer 1%, you will receive 300 rupees on your wallet, and you can refer unlimited person. Here is no any condition, here is no any revenue. You can also refer most of the person and you can get 300 rupees per person. Friends, we'll discuss here, if you refer 5%, you will get 1500 rupees on your wallet, and that amount you have to transfer on your bank account after deduction of 5% admin charge and 5% of TDS. Friends, let us discuss here power of duplication. Now you will get here level wise income from 1 level to 10 level, and first level you will have to receive 20% of 1500, that is 300 rupees, and second person received your second person, that is 30 rupees, and 3 level from 3% 45 rupees, from fourth level 4% 60 rupees. Such type of level, if increase maximum 10th level, you will receive maximum 10th level 10%, like 150 rupees per person. Friends, let us discuss about team size. if your team size if your team size like 5%, your income will be 1500 rupees, and 5% will work this as a same. He send any 5%, that is your team will be increased and your team will be 25%, and your level is second, and you will receive 2% from each person, that is 750 rupees. Like 5% will refer 5%, that is 125 people, and your income will be 5625 rupees. Friends, such type of duplication are being done up to 10th level, and your income will be from 10th level 1 crore 46 146 crore plus income. If we add all about such income, that will be 178 crore rupees. Friends, it's a big amount. If we refer 5 duplication, if we refer 5 in place 6, that this amount will be increased. If some person will think that sir, if we don't make 5%, if we make 4%, 3%, 4 2%, 1%, that on this condition this amount will be decreased. Friends, let us discuss about its success ratio. Friends, if we fail 0% and we succeed in this application in 100%, that amount will be received 178 crore. Friends, here we fail 50% in this system, only 50% we success, that is our income will be 50%, 89 crore. Friends, if we fail 90% in this system, only 10% we success, our income will be 17.8 crore rupees. Friends, it's a big amount. If we here is no any target, here is no any revenue maintained, here is no leg maintained, here is no PVBB any discussed in this system. Friends, if we success only 10%, your income will be generate 17 crore 80 lakh rupees. Friends, nowadays all persons are using digital services, and that is are available on Next Money application. Now we have to tell about this application to each other. Now we have to refer on the right way, and we have to say the power of Next Money to the new strangers, our relatives, our friends circle, and definitely he will join, and definitely he will also earn. Friends, if we success here only 1%, that is you will receive 1.78 crore rupees. Friends, if we earn its 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4, 5 year, friends, if we work here in part-time work, whatever you done on regular basis, you have to continue that job work. And if you give 1 and 2 hours on daily basis, friends, you can change your life from this system. Friends, now discuss about repurchase income. Here is no physical product you have to sell and purchase. Here is all digital services. Let us discuss one recharge section. Friends, suppose that your team will be 1 lakh, and your and mobile recharge, he will do mobile recharge, because every home has two mobiles, maximum 3 4 mobiles, but we have to discuss here only two mobiles, and that mobile will be recharged only 100 rupees, and two mobile will recharge here 200 rupees. According to this recharge, cashback amount will be received 2%, means 4 rupees, and 4 rupees 1%, and 1 lakh team, that is 4 lakh cashback has been distributed by the next money to 1 lakh people. Friends, its term and condition, that is the cashback amount, and 25% amount will be distributed of all cashback amount, and 25% cashback, total team cashback, that is 1 lakh rupees, and 1 lakh rupees will be divided into 10th level. Suppose you are my upline, and someone is your upline, and his someone is upline. That condition and this such type of distribution are being done here, that is 10,000 rupees from your just mobile recharge. Friends, think about future planning. Most of the peoples are using daily basis services, daily needs services, from good morning to good night, and he will receive cashback amount, and your income will be generated as a level cashback, that is your income. And such type of income will be increased, like 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakhs rupees for month in the future. Friends, income from team below 10th level, friends, that is the income, that was the income for 10th level, that is any condition, there was no any condition, there was no any leg maintain. Friends, now your business will be increased after 10th level, and your income will be as a royalty income. First royalty income as a silver royalty, that will be 1% and 15 rupees per person after 11th level to unlimited depth. Friends, for that receive silver star, you have to upgrade 5 members on your direct level and first level, and one minimum 1% to every one level you have to upgraded member. That is total member, you have to see here 14 member, and you will receive silver star royalty income. Friends, next royalty income will be gold star. Whatever your direct member, that is business partner, and he now you have to help them, and when he receive and when he will get silver star on your direct 5 member, and automatically you will convert on gold royalty income. Friends, here you will get 2% royalty income, means 30 rupees per prime member after 10th level to unlimited level in differential basis. Next, your income will be diamond royalty. Such post you have to receive, and for that post you have to help any 5 member which is in your direct or 1 level to 10th level in your different leg, you have to make 5 gold star on your team. Friends, you will automatically convert diamond royalty, and here you will get 3% from this royalty, that is 45 rupees. Friends, it will be differential basis. Now you will receive company royalty income, that will be crown diamond post, and congratulations friends for achieve this post, and 1% of company joining turnover distributed among all crown diamond. Nowadays 3 crown diamonds are here. Friends, sixth income is leadership royalty income. If you made 5% direct on your business partner, and if you help to 5% to make 5 business partner, friends, you will receive 10% leadership royalty income. Whatever your direct member will earn, like your direct member me, and I earn 1000 rupees in a day, 10% royalty you will receive, like 100 rupees from my income. Friends, if you do such type of activity only in 30 days date of registration, company will provide you free Goa trip. Friends, it will be 3 days plus 2 night, and here is merchant royalty. Friends, you can also earn a lot of income from this merchant royalty system, like such type of. Friends, your success is our mission. To hear me, many thanks to you. Go crown diamond. Thank you very much. You can also visit my website. You can also see my YouTube channel, Group of Next Dreamer, and it has been organized by Nandlal Kapri, that is founder of Group of Next Dreamer. And you can also see my YouTube channel, Group of Next Dreamer, that is here is being seen. Friends, many thanks to you. Let us join with hands. Thank you very much.